Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
70 years of competition between Can-Am and Polaris. Polaris and Can-Am share a common starting point. They both opened shop as snowmobile companies. Armand Bombardier built the first propeller-driven sled as a teenager in 1922 and the world's first track-based snowmobile in 1937.
Take our lead.
Can-Am came in as the third most reliable ATV brand. These machines are also considered top-tier performance. Polaris ATV models came in fourth place for reliability. So, in reality, although these brands are sometimes docked for unreliability, they are each respected in the ATV community as well.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to ATV.com, owners of ATVs made by various manufacturers voted on the most reliable ATV brands. Can-Am came in as the third most reliable ATV brand. These machines are also considered top-tier performance.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.